Hello everyone, and welcome to SuccessWay. As you can see on the screen, I've got Gemini AI integrated and running inside n8n. In this video, I'll show you exactly step-by-step how to get your own API key and connect it like this. First, head over to Google AI Studio, accept the terms, and click Continue. Now let's generate the key. Click Get API Key. And then create a PAI key. You can rename your key here, but I'll leave it as it is. I'm going to create a new project for this. Just type your project name, click Create Project. As you can see, the new project is created. Now click Create Key to finish the setup. There's the key. Simply hit copy and it's saved to the clipboard. Now let's go to n8n to test everything out. Click the plus icon and search for Gemini. Select Google Gemini, then scroll down and choose Message a Model. Under Credential, to connect with, click Create New Credential. Paste your API key here. And give a clear name like Gemini API. Hit Save, and as you can see, the connection is tested successfully. Now, just close this window, and the credentials are ready to use. For the final test, I'll select the Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Let's enter a prompt like, give me a quick tip to start with AI automation. Click Execute Step. And as you can see in the output, Gemini responded successfully. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of problems you are facing with n8n.